Let me get sini and mommy very good.
These are some eager puppies. Well, seems like they're hungry. Oh, but Mama Dog is not taking any of that. You want food? You wait for your turn. Oh God, Mama Dog is ruthless. But she gotta do what she gotta do to discipline the kids. It seems like the puppies are finally grasping the situation. They don't want to mess with an angry Mama Dog. I think the Mama Dog's weaning. The puppies do seem old enough. It's basically when the mother dog teaches the puppies to be more independent, like not to depend on her for food. That's just how nature works. She's doing a perfect job at disciplining